Dogecoin was a joke, Shiba Inu coin was a joke. What do you think about SafeMoon? As you know, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin make people millionaires, give people lots of profit within a year. So what I think, SafeMoon also can make you millionaire, even can make you billionaire. I don't think so. SafeMoon is a shit coin. I don't think so. SafeMoon is wasting your money, wasting your time, because SafeMoon has lots of events. SafeMoon is launching their own blockchain. SafeMoon is launching their own decentralized exchange. So what I think, you should buy SafeMoon and hold it with a 1 year and you will be a millionaire. So hello and welcome to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again I'm here with a useful video where I will give you a review of SafeMoon coin. So let's get started. Before moving on to this video, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. So never hesitate to like our video, share our video with all your friends and type your idea in a comment section. As I told you in this video, I will give you a review of SafeMoon coin because what I think, SafeMoon can make you millionaire in the future. SafeMoon can make you billionaire in the future. So if we come to coin market cap, and here you can check the current price of SafeMoon is 0.5 times 0 4122, and in 24 hours the price of SafeMoon is just dropped about 80%. And this 1 week SafeMoon price just increases about 70%, 80%, and the price just jumped from 2 to I think 5 to 5. I think from 2 to 5. So I will show you in this video. I will show you the news, I will show you the events, I will show you everything that can make a sense to invest in this coin. As you can see, the ranking of SafeMoon is 206 and total 1.6 million people just added this SafeMoon on their watch list, which is a huge gain. And then this is the official website. So if you want to read the white paper, so you can check the white paper in order to get more knowledge about SafeMoon coin. So SafeMoon coin is just launched on Ethereum blockchain. Here you can see this is on Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to buy Ethereum on PancakeSwap, so you can buy it using your Ethereum coin, not BNB coin, because SafeMoon is not on Binance Smart Chain. What I think, SafeMoon is also on Binance Smart Chain. No, SafeMoon is on Ethereum blockchain, and the SafeMoon is just audits from Certic, I think Certic. And then you scroll down. Here you can see the market cap of SafeMoon is about 2.4 billion. The market cap is just decreases 80% within 1 day, and the volume is just increasing daily. The volume of SafeMoon is increasing. You can see in 24 hours the volume is just increases about 36%, and the remaining circulating supply is about 585 trillion. Total the circulating supply of SafeMoon was 1 quadrillion, and the rest of the coin is just burned, and the remaining one is 585 trillion. Then you scroll down. Here you can see the price or the chart of SafeMoon. The price just dropped from 47 to 41. I think this is the best chance to buy it from the dip. This is the SafeMoon price is in consolidation mode. This is not in downtrend. This is in consolidation mode as Shiba Inu coin. You can see for months the price is just on consolidation mode, and suddenly it pumps to up. It pumps to, I think it's delete 10, and now it's going to delete one more 0. So for sure I'm 100% sure SafeMoon will delete one more 0. SafeMoon will touch their all-time high. So make sure to buy it from this price. Okay, if you check the market, SafeMoon is listed on several decentralized exchange, even centralized exchange. As you can see, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, Max, centralized LBank, PancakeSwap, Whitebit, Kick Exchange, Bitmore, and SafeMoon is just listed on ZT, which is the top 7 exchange. ZT. This is, I think, yesterday or before yesterday. I think 1 November or 2 November or 30th October. The SafeMoon is just listed on ZT exchange. What is the next? What is the next step? What I think next step is SafeMoon will going to list on Binance exchange. If this coin will list on Binance exchange, then the price, for sure, the price will delete to 0. Then let's go to its official website. In official website, you can see there is welcome to SafeMoon, the fastest growing crypto community on earth. For sure this is. If we check the SafeMoon Twitter, SafeMoon has 1.1 million followers on Twitter. Here you can see. Make sure to follow its Twitter and click on bell icon to be updated, because the CEO of SafeMoon is updating about SafeMoon each minute, each hour. Here you can see they are just updating about SafeMoon, what's going to do in next, what is the next step, what will happen future. So everything is just tweeted in here, so make sure to follow its Twitter. Then if we check about the holder, here you can see we have more than 2.8 million holders. We have 2.8 addresses, just holders. We have 2.8 million holders. So see the community for sure. SafeMoon has the fastest growing crypto community on earth. The next good point is SafeMoon has its own swap. SafeMoon has its own swap. If I show you in here you can see swap by SafeMoon, the same thing like Uniswap. From here you can swap BNB to SafeMoon. Even you can swap any more coins like BUSD, WSD. If let me check other cryptocurrency if there is available. No, I don't think any more coins should be available here, because this is the SafeMoon swap. So in here you can swap. Just connect your wallet, connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet with swap.safemoon.net, then convert your BNB to SafeMoon. And the next good point is SafeMoon just launched their SafeMoon wallet for Android and iOS devices. Here you can see by clicking on this button you can download the SafeMoon wallet. If you are Android user, then click on here. If you are iOS user, so in SafeMoon wallet, what you can in SafeMoon wallet, you can buy, send, receive, swap any token. Even you can directly buy any cryptocurrency using your credit card. Then you can check all the top gainers and losers cryptocurrency on SafeMoon wallet. Beside that, SafeMoon is just listing Bitcoin and Dogecoin on their SafeMoon wallet. So if I scroll down, here you can see the value. The current price is 0.5 times 0, 4036. Holder is about 2.8 million, and then burn is still 427 trillion. SafeMoon is burned, and the remaining is 572 trillion circulating supply. Then we have 2.3 billion market cap. Then we scroll down, about us. The SafeMoon protocol is a community focused, fair launched DeFi token. SafeMoon is a DeFi token, and that's, as I told you, SafeMoon is going to launch their own decentralized exchange, and SafeMoon is going to launch their blockchain. Let me show you. Okay, at the end I will show you the event. In here, 3 simple functions occur during each trade. The transaction fees is about 10%. Why? 5% of each transaction is reflected to all the holders for passive income. If you are holding SafeMoon, so on each transaction you will get 5% reward. Then we have 5% is added to a liquidity pool. Then a burn wallet receives a portion of the reflection to never be seen again. So some of the coin will go to the burn wallet. Community focused, automatic LP, RFI static reward. Then we scroll down. Here you can see the SafeMoon exchange is going to launch coming soon. The SafeMoon exchange is a revolutionary new idea that will bring technomics to all of crypto on its platform. We call this cryptonomics. So the SafeMoon exchange is going to launch. This is coming soon. So this is the SafeMoon decentralized exchange. So if you buy now, you will be in a profit in the future. Let me tell you, November, December is the month of bullish. Not only SafeMoon, all cryptocurrency, whether this is Bitcoins, Ethereum, whether this is SafeMoon, this is Dogecoin, this is Shiba Inu, this is Baby Dogecoin, this is Elongate. November, December is the month of bullish. You will see Bitcoins at the price of 93,000. You will see Ethereum above 10,000. You will see Shiba Inu will delete their 2.0. You will see Cardano near to $5. You will see all the metaverse. As you know, metaverse is in a high demand. So make sure buy any metaverse coin like Mana, Cent, ALU. There are lots of metaverse coins, so make sure to add it on your portfolio in order to be a millionaire. Then we scroll down. SafeMoon is just added by BSC Scan, Critic, Nomics, CoinMarket, CoinGecko, Watcher.group. A SafeMoon protocol. Here you can check the roadmap. Let me click in here. Let's check the roadmap of SafeMoon. So the developer of SafeMoon is just changing the roadmap. Here you can see our goals for the upcoming years. This page is currently being revised and will be back shortly. It means the developer of SafeMoon is just changing or just making the roadmap. Okay, let's go to here on Twitter. If we check this Twitter, let me show you. Okay, if we check the Twitter SafeMoon variant, okay, the follower is 15.6. so make sure follow this one also, because it will tell you all the updates about the vaults, how much vaults are buying SafeMoon, about everything. Okay, let me scroll down here. This will upload the SafeMoon logo every day until it is listed on Binance. See, SafeMoon Hi Valerian is uploading the SafeMoon logo every day on Reddit until it is listed on Binance. But I think next exchange is Binance. Then you scroll down. SafeMoon and Bitcoin side by side comparison. See, SafeMoon is just similar to Bitcoin's chart. Then you scroll down here, you can see this is SafeMoon gained 11.8 thousand new holders in the last 24 hours. The number seems stable. It is even growth a bit. That would make 354,000 holders per month. Okay, then we scroll down here. Let me show you this one. Top 100 vaults own 50.39% of circulating supply. It means from top 100 vaults, the vaults have 50.39% of SafeMoon coin. So it means vaults are also buying SafeMoon coin. Okay, then scroll down here. You can see SafeMoon good news. Globis found the P SafeMoon contract and locker in the top vaults list and deleted it. Top 25 vaults dominance is now at 11.2% and top 15 is at 30.7%, the dominance. Okay, then beside that, SafeMoon is on top 4 trending token on Bokt Finance. Then we scroll down. Here SafeMoon, what crypto are you most bullish on? So this is the SafeMoon. People are bullish on SafeMoon. Here is another bullish news. SafeMoon, the top 7 exchange in the world, ZT, by trending volume listed us on their own exchange, and there are still 2 more listing coming. 2 more exchange is coming. SafeMoon is going to list on 2 more exchange. What I think the one is Binance. What I think SafeMoon will list on Binance this year. If not this year, then 2022. So SafeMoon is one of the best coin. What I think, SafeMoon is not a sheet coin, as Shiba Inu is not now a sheet coin, because it has their own Shiba Swap. It has launching their own blockchain. Shiba Swap has their own NFT, lots of everything. So SafeMoon is the same. Let me show you the event. Here you can see the event of SafeMoon. Where is the event? Let me click on it. No, scroll down here. News and events of SafeMoon. On 15 November, SafeMoon has SafeMoon AIBC Europe in Malta from November 15 to 19. This is one of the event of SafeMoon. On 13 November, SafeMoon has broadcast, and at the end of this year, 31 December, SafeMoon is going to launch their own blockchain launch. So think what I told you, November, December is the bullish month. So if you buy SafeMoon now, to the time of blockchain, you will be in a huge profit. At least you will be in profit of 3x, 4x. So then we have BSC scan here. Let me show you total holders. We have 2.8 billion, and see on each minute there are transaction. Here you can see edges, see the transaction. And then if I show you the chart, the price chart, the all-time high of SafeMoon is 0.4 times 0.1501, and now the price just increases about and touch 0. Let me show you here. If we see the price, okay, the price is just about 0.5 times 0.71. So now the price just dropped about 20% or about 30%, and then now the price is about 0.5 times 411. So what I think, for a few days we will see the price of SafeMoon in a consolidation mode, then again like this, then again we will pump to upward. So this is all about SafeMoon that I gave you review about SafeMoon. So I hope you understand this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you have any question, so please feel free to ask me in the comment section. So our video is just end up here. If you like the video, so click on the like button, share this video with your friend, and type your idea about SafeMoon. What do you think? SafeMoon can make us millionaire or no? Can you buy SafeMoon or no? So everything tell me in a comment. Please tell me in a comment. And then still you did not subscribe to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.